demands, to our opinions.
Kasang Hinyotrep Youth Council kala Thoh sya Deputy Commissioner jongka East Khasi Hills USC Sadhu Kaba Dawa ban penlong Jingsah Mardor Halor ka Jingsah Be-Ain jongki Briu halum survey. Haka Shiti kabala Thoh haka arpusan terik jong ubnaya yong arhajar arpusau ke HYC kala pensyai baki don palat ya ka prapo haduk shispa teliki long ying Be-Ain haka te jaka. Kaba pensnokia halor ka rukom im kaba isat met bat ka jingdon kti hakikam Be-Ain. Watla kaladon ka mukadma badang sa teng jongki shibenta ka jaka ka HYC kala kentu ban weng kloi yaki nong sa Be-Ain bat hakaju kapor kala kentu ya Deputy Commissioner ban penlong ia ka jingjurip lang hapo shitayo da ka bamaham ia ka jing pensisha shimet lada amle Shen.
That we want that there should be a spot verification, or there should be a spot inquiry where the district administration, the defense estate officer, as well as those persons who are involved in the litigation, they should be present on the spot so that they can show the authorities concerned, see, these are the property or these are the land that are in dispute, and the rest which is settled by these illegal settlers, they are not under dispute. So that after clarifying that fact, the district administration as well as the DEO can take necessary steps to evict these people. So we have written this letter and we have given them a time of 1 week to conduct a spot inquiry, and after that spot inquiry we urge the necessary and the concerned authority to take action.